Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 1.5 inch tab stop in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add 1.5 inch tab stop. Go to the page and click inside the text box. Then go to the paragraph settings option. Then go to the tabs option and we can see here the tab stop settings is 1. Now we want to change this 1.5 inch, increase this. Now we can see here the 1.5 inch tab stop. Then click OK. Then click before the text and press tab on our keyboard and we can see we added 1.5 inch tab stop this Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.